Hello, welcome to Autobot YouTube channel. Myself Rahul Krishnan. Today we are going to see how we can create a very simple CI/CD pipeline for creating a single job to generate artifacts for a Maven build. Okay, so I have a very simple and test kind of a project. So I'm just going to use the Maven commands to generate the artifact, and I'm going to just attach it in the Maven build job. Okay, so this is my simple requirement. So mainly how we'll be doing, we'll be just going inside this folder and we'll be either using Maven clean package to generate the package, right? So that's how we'll be generating the package. So the same purpose, if you're going with the CI/CD, the first stage of almost all the CI/CD pipeline will be creation of a job, creation of a artifact, right? So if it is a Maven, then we'll be generating the Maven build, like we'll be generating the .char or .var kind of artifacts, right? So this is my project. My project name is GitLab-demo-project, and I have created a branch CI/CD-pipeline-demo. And these are the folders. Like we have an SRC folder, and we have one or two unit test cases. So that part I will be covering in next video. And we have the pom.xml file inside that. It has already configured the JUnit and other dependencies which are already required. And what we are going to do is, let me sync this with my Visual Studio. It's already synced. So this is that project. Okay, I already connected the project with my Visual Studio. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to create a .gitlab.ca.yaml file, and I'm going to write a simple job to generate the Maven artifact. Okay, so let me click on this. So this is the button for generating the file. So what I'm going to do is, let me keep it like gitlab-ca.yaml. Okay, so we have created the .gitlab-ca.yaml file. So what is my requirement? Like, I'm going to create a job which is useful for building a Maven artifact, right? So what is the first step that I need to do? I need to declare a stage, and I need to tag the particular job to that stage, right? So I'm going to create a stage. Okay, I'm going to name it like a build. Okay, then what is the next step? I need to write the job to generate the artifact. So for that, I'm going to name the job like Maven build. Okay, and I'm going to tag the job to build a stage. Okay, so that part is done. Now what is the next step that we have to do? Actually, we have to add the image also, but I'm not going to add it now. I will add later, and I will show you like what is the error that we are going to get if you are not going to add the particular images. Okay, so now what is the next step that we have to do? We have to generate the Maven artifact, right? So we have to use script. Okay, and I'm going to just run Maven clean package. There are unit test cases already there in the particular project, so I don't want to execute those unit test cases. So I'm just going to skip it. .test.skip equal to true. Okay, so I'm just going to skip the unit test cases, and I'm going to generate the artifact. And so after this script, the artifact will generate. So I need to attach the artifact to the particular job. So for that artifact, I'm going to add the path. And where is the path? Usually, if we generate a Maven artifact, it will be under project folder, and I need to attach the .jar, because in the form.xml we have added the packaging as jar. Okay, packaging as jar. So it will be generating a jar file. If we add it like var means, it will be generating a var file. That the var file we can add it over there. Okay. So that's it. So this is a very simple job that I have written, and I declared a single stage build. And I'll be using this sample project for adding up more jobs to it, like unit testing and other scanning that is already default and available with the GitLab. Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me commit this. And the dot gitlab-ca.yaml file. Okay. it. I'm going to just sync it. Okay, let's go here and refresh. Yes, we can see a latest change has been updated, added the .GitLab routers, but I'm not able to see the GitLab ca.yaml file. One minute. Yes, so here we are getting the .GitLab ca.yaml file. So let me do one thing. Okay, so let me duplicate this particular tab. Okay, so in order to run the pipeline, what we have to do, just go to build, go to pipelines. Okay, and I'm just going to execute this. Okay, it's already failed, and here you can see there is already an error over there. So let me open this failed job. Okay, there is a failure in the Maven build. Let us see what is the error. Okay, yeah, so here it is showing it has used this particular runner. Okay, so in this particular runner, Maven is not available. So because of that, it is not able to execute the Maven clean package command. So usually what we can do is just tag an image to the particular job. Okay, so it means it will create a Docker with Maven. So it will help to execute this particular command inside that Maven Docker. Okay. So what I'm going to do is let me add an image. What is the image that I'm going to use? I'm going to use Maven. And in order to get the Maven package, let me search in Maven Docker. Okay, let me search over here. Okay, either you can use any of these images or any of these tags for generating the artifact. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take yeah, let me take this one, Amazon Corito 17. Okay, so let me go here. I'm going to tag this particular tag value to the image maybe. Okay, so let me save it. So now this command will execute inside this particular image and it will generate the artifact. So let me update it on Maven build job. Okay, let me commit it. Let me sync. So let's check the pipeline. Syncing is still happening. Yes, the image is already updated. So let me refresh again. Yes. Now the job is running or the pipeline is running. So let me go to this Maven job. So now we can see, right, using Docker executor with image. This is the image that we have provided. So it is going to use this particular image for executing the script that we have provided. And here we are getting job as succeeded, right? So let me download this. Okay, so this is the artifact. So let it save. Okay, let me go here. and let me extract. Yeah, so we have the artifact already generated. Right? So this is how you can design your job, and you can execute it for generating your artifact. So there are multiple stages that you can add to this pipeline, but this is a very simple thing on which we are going to enhance our CI/CD pipeline in the coming videos. Okay, so this is just a starting. So I just initialized a stage, and I have used the stage in my job Maven build, and I have created the artifact, right? And I will show you what are the important concepts that we have to add as part of the GitLab CI/CD pipeline. Okay, so please stay tuned, and thanks for the support that you have given. So try to do this kind of practicals along with these videos. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. Bye.